This veggie chopper is one of the best, if not the best, kitchen gadget that I ever had. It is super easy to use, super easy to clean, and has lots of features for you to have some fun in the kitchen. I'm gonna show you in a few seconds how it works and all the features and the accessories, but first, let's take a look to the instructions. They're super easy to follow. As you can see right here, it's just a few steps and you will be all set. But not only that, it also has some really nice recipes for you to follow and use it with the veggie chopper. These are some of the fantastic features and accessories it has. So let's just dive into it. As I was saying before, it's super easy to use. This is a compartment where all the veggies are gonna be dropped. You can see it has measurement here and rubber pads at the bottom so it won't move easily. The assembly process is almost inexistent. The only thing you need to do is just pick your desired size and drop it right here, and then just attach this part to the actual compartment, which has a lock-in feature right here. So once you're done, you're all set. And this is how easy it is to use. And to have more fun, you have all these accessories to keep chopping your veggies in a different way, which I'm gonna show you right now. I think it can be a really fun thing to do in the kitchen with the family, and once you're done, it comes with the lid so you can put this compartment right in the fridge. I do like this product. It's a really nice gadget. My thumbs up. Thanks for watching and see you soon.